Alright, you guys are either gonna love me or you're gonna hate me today. As you guys see by the title and thumbnail, I am giving away my M3 CS. And I know that sounds crazy because this is not a basic F80, bro. This is a freaking CS. There's only 1,200 in the world. I think 600 in the US. So it's really rare. And I'm giving it away to one of you guys. By far the craziest giveaway I've ever seen somebody do. And this is my second time doing a giveaway. You guys saw the E92, but we gave that away. And I was trying to think, how can we top the next one? What better way with my M3 CS? And you guys saw me post this car for sale too. But to be honest, I think it's so much cooler being able to give this to somebody. Like someone that supports me, you guys watching these videos, maybe someone that's been wanting an F80, let alone a CS, or just somebody that's, you know, less fortunate that can't afford an F80, you know? So honestly, I think it's a win-win. Gives you guys a chance to win my personal car and an M3 CS, which is literally someone's dream car. And at the same time, it frees up some garage space for me to bring in another car to the channel and do a new build and more content for you guys. So it was such a cool feeling, like giving away my E92. Like the guy was so thankful, bro. He texted me every single day to this day, like sending me pictures of the car, telling me thank you, thank you, thank you. And I literally like made his dream come true, bro. It's crazy. I'm excited. Whoever wins this car is gonna be very, very lucky. But right now, the website is live, shopfindingnick.com. First link down below. Grab a hoodie, a t-shirt, even a sticker pack could win you this entire car. Not only that, you guys are gonna get to come hang out with me, Jacob, Chris, and all the other homies. Come pick up your car in person. If you guys live out of state, I'm gonna fly you in town. Just like with the E92, I'm gonna give you guys ride-alongs in all the cars. So not only are you guys winning a car, but you're winning like a whole freaking day and experience to hang out with me, even though I don't think I'm that cool, but you guys do. But still, it should be fun. Anyways, I wanted to start the video off by telling you guys that and just going over some of the mods that this car has. It's honestly one of the most beautiful F80s I've ever seen. I'm fried for this, huh?
Stupid fried.
Yeah, honestly, all the homies have been telling me how stupid I am. They're like, bro, why are you giving away your CS, bro? Chris is so mad at me because he loves this car. CS, 1,200 in the world. I think even like very little Alpine white ones too, by the way. I don't know if you know that, but Alpine white is like super rare. We just powder coated the wheels. The wheels look freaking fire, bro. Honestly, like made me fall in love with the car so much more, and now I'm regretting giving it away.
Yeah, you gave it a whole new look.
It looks freaking sick, dude. Like I love this car now. I've literally been driving it for the past couple days, and I'm just so in love with it, bro. I don't know how I'm gonna give it away. Carbon lip, of course. Carbon grills. It has intakes on it. This thing has everything that you possibly need for an F80. It has the crank hub done, most importantly. Crank hub's done by S5X Performance. Coilovers, more carbon, more carbon, more carbon. The roof is actually in really good condition. As you guys know, most F80s and most BMWs in general have super faded roofs, and this one's always garage kept. I don't even drive it. You guys see it's literally in the garage. Only the CSs come with white and the holes. The CS definitely has the best interior out of all the F80s. I'm telling you guys, this ain't no basic F80, bro. This is far from basic, brother. And I already know you guys are gonna say someone's giving away M4 CS, my boy Jake. I understand, but I think the F80 is more rare, 100%, and I feel like more desirable. Like I've never seen anybody give away a CS. This has to be the first. I have the cage, of course. The cage is fire. It matches the car. More carbon, more carbon. Valvetronic exhaust. Oh, it's also tuned by Stage 4 Tuning, so it has that crazy tune on it. So it shoots flames, big old pops. It is now live, guys. Shopfindingnick.com. Go get entered. You do not want to miss out on this crazy opportunity. And it's only going to be up for a couple weeks, so this is your chance, guys. Do not miss out. The guy who won the E92, keep in mind, he won the car off of a $50 hoodie. He took home an E92 M3 for 50 bucks. I wish I could do that. So imagine taking this thing home for 50 bucks, or even less, where you can get a sticker pack for 30 bucks and win this CS. Like that's, I would never sell it. If I won it, I would just keep it in my garage forever.
For real.
Or just sell it, guys, and you can make a little 60 bands. Honestly, but you guys can sell it if you want. It's your car. Whoever wins this car, it's your car. I hope you guys keep it, but it's your car. You can do whatever you want.
I'm gonna be jealous.
I think everyone's gonna be jealous. This is one of the craziest giveaways I've ever seen. So, anyways, should we drive it?
Oh look, and it also comes with a CS hood. Where'd you get that?
Oh yeah, someone today DM'd me saying, where'd you get the hood at? This is OEM, brother. It's a full carbon OEM.
No, it's not.
You think I should take the hood off and keep it? And give you guys like a base model CS of F80 hood? Look at this shit, bro. It's all carbon. A lot of people don't know that, but yeah, that CSs come with the carbon hood. So it's like super lightweight, the whole car. Intakes. Throughout the giveaway, I plan on adding more mods for you guys. So I have a new diffuser I gotta install. I'm gonna try to reach out to Downstar. Hopefully we can add some like colored bolts in here. I wanna make the car even crazier for whoever wins this. So also whoever wins this, you're getting a little bit of the old wrap because there's still red wrap in here. It just does not come off. So whoever wins it, you're gonna have to unwrap it for you.
No, that's for memories. That's,
Yeah, or
that's
just
how you
keep
know
it
it's
there.
Finding Nick.
Yeah, just keep it there, bro. It's loud, huh?
Loudest car for sure, bro. Especially with those pops.
I can't do the pops right here.
I know.
Cops will show up.
I don't know how this sounds on here, but it's ridiculous, guys. That sounds so good.
You hear the intakes?
Yeah.
It's just loud, huh?
Super loud.
And it's very low. To be honest, whoever wins the car, if you guys want me to raise up the car, I'll raise it up for you, okay? Because it's very low right now. Probably gonna break the lip. It takes skill to drive this shit, bro. And guys, you guys gotta understand, it's a risk for me, like giving this thing away. Don't get me wrong, I've gotten offers on Facebook for 60K already. So like, think about it. I have to hopefully make that money to make this make sense for me, you know? But at the end of the day, I'm just glad I'm able to give it to one of you guys. You know, I could easily sell it, but I'd much rather give it to someone that really supports me and watches my videos and someone that deserves it, you know?
This is so loud.
Also, you don't have to be driving like that obnoxious, guys. Look, you can put it in Sport Plus. Oh, no, not that. Sport Plus is the even crazier ones. But efficient, look. When I let off, look.
Yes,
Nothing.
it's a regular M3.
Yeah, there's no burbles. But if you want to be obnoxious, I gotta make sure there's no cops. I'm gonna put on Sport Plus for you guys so you can hear the pops.
Dude.
It's gonna be so loud, but I gotta make sure there's no cops. Should I do? I'm so scared, bro. But yeah, that's the Sport Plus pops. So you guys are getting a freaking crazy tuned M3CS. For sure the sickest giveaway, bro. You can't lie. Okay, if I ever do another giveaway after this, how am I gonna top this? I gotta give away my G80 or the Rayon. Hell no, I don't want to give away those
everything.
cars.
I went for your baby.
Even this is crazy. Like, I can't believe I'm doing it. Oh, there's a cop.
CHP. Don't catch you.
Close valves. He's gonna pull me over.
Pull up next to him.
No. Look at
The cop's coming.
No, he's not. Like, it's quiet. What are you gonna pull me over? It's stock. Doesn't burble. Too low. That's just loud.
So loud.
God, bro, it's just loud.
It's like a jump scare. You know it's coming.
I know. Let's see if I can type under the bridge. Why is he flashing me? If I shot a big ass flame up. Whoever wins is so lucky. Like, literally so freaking lucky. Is it low?
So low, bro. It literally like just slides over nice. Like
It takes skill to drive this, bro. I don't know how I haven't broke that lid, I'll be honest. And if I break it, I'll buy you guys a new one, alright? Before I give it to you guys. The website is live right now, shopfindingnick.com. You can grab a hoodie, a t-shirt, even a sticker pack, and win that entire car, guys. Literally for less than $30, you can take my M3 CS. Again, I could have sold it, but I'd much rather give it to somebody that supports me, that watches my videos, and just bless somebody with their dream car. Because it's true, bro, not everybody could afford an M3 CS, you know, but I know a lot of people love these cars. It's literally one of the most popular BMW models, the F80, let alone a freaking CS. I apologize for the short video, but if you enjoyed it, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.
Yeah, feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.